Hey guys, Chris of the Polish Geek and welcome to another nature adventure video, and this time we are next to another pond which is pretty close to my house. I already showed you another pond close to my house, Zalew Pond, but now I'm showing you a much smaller pond, and this is the pond I've actually been often coming in my childhood because here around this area my grandmother, who's already dead, she's been dead like 10 years already, but my grandmother used to have like a small summer house here where she would grow vegetables or fruits for us. And right next to this small house there was this small pond that you see right behind me, and I would often come to that pond with my grandparents. So I did a bike ride here, so let's explore this small pond. This totally brings me back to my childhood. I remember how there used to be lots of frogs here, but because of the weather I doubt they are here. And lots of fishermen used to fish here, but it says now that in Polish that apparently now fishing here is sadly now restricted. But I remember how I used to fish here with my grandfather and his friend. But let's explore a little bit of this pond. And here you can see a smaller pond, an artificial one, but still. And see, this is the pond. That's where I used to often go with my grandparents in my childhood. Oh, and you can see ducks over here. A male and a female, and the colorful one is male. Maybe let's go the other side. And here it looks a little bit swampy actually. Oh, you can actually see a frog here, look. A frog, and the little one too. See? A frog and a little one. We are lucky we are actually able to catch a frog. I didn't expect we would see one today. We were lucky. Oh, and there is another frog here, I believe. Let's see. Oh, yes. It just went inside the water. I was lucky to catch it as it is going inside the water. And now we are kind of on the other side of the pond than the one we initially started, and this is actually the place where me, my grandfather and his friend, who was a fisherman, would often sit and fish back when I was a little kid. Oh, there is another frog here, and it just went inside the water. And we're back at the starting point. See, lots of ducks. We are back at our starting point from where we started, and my bike is there. And this is a tiny small house where my grandmother sometimes used to grow fruits and vegetables for us. See, this place still technically belongs to my family, even though it hasn't been used for like many years, and there is actually plenty of cobwebs inside the house. And you see fruits and vegetables used to be grown here, but Now it hasn't been used for like over 10 or even more than that. It's almost like a graveyard now, but it's very much brings me to my childhood, how I would often help my grandparents grow various fruits and vegetables here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our other nature adventure video. And you learned something interesting and new thing about me, like you've seen another pond that I used to come a lot in my childhood, but you also saw a place where my grandmother, or both my grandparents, actually used to grow fruits and vegetables for my family. So, thank you all of you for checking out another nature adventure video. Press the like button, please subscribe this channel, and I'll talk to you soon in another video. Talk to you later, bye!